Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Monica and I make videos to make learning easy to you. In the series Learn Grammar with me, I am going to bring some easy techniques following which you can easily develop your skills of grammar. In this video, I am going to talk about different parts of speech. In my earlier video, I have talked about proper noun and common noun, and in this video, I will discuss about collective noun and material noun. I will try to make you understand in the easiest way possible. Then let's start it. Collective noun. Collective noun refers to a group or collection of similar individuals. Similar individual means same kind of persons, animals or things. একই ধরনের মানুষ, প্রাণী অথবা বিভিন্ন জিনিসের সমষ্টিকে বলা হয় collective noun. Now let's discuss collective noun or persons. Collective noun is a group or collection of similar individuals. So crowd is a group of people. Similarly, gang is a group of thieves. Every single person in a gang is a thief. Similarly, regiment is a group or collection of soldiers. So every single person or individual in a group or regiment is a soldier. Similarly, a team is formed by a group of players. So every person in a group or in a team is a player. So class is a group of students. Every single person in a class is a student. Similarly, band is a group of men and circle is a group or collection of friends. Now see the collective noun of animals. Flock is a collection or group of sheep. Flight is a collection of birds. Means every single animal in the flight is a bird. Kennel is a collection of dogs. And sloth is a collection of bears. Means every single animal in the sloth is a bear. Let's see the collective noun of things. Basket is a collection of fruits. So every single thing in the basket is a fruit. So basket is a collective noun. Bundle is a collection of sticks. So every single thing in the bundle is a stick. Here bundle is the collective noun. Similarly, cup is a collection of tea. So here cup is the collective noun. A collective noun is considered as one undivided whole. So the verb following is singular. Now look at this picture. In this picture we can see 12 faces. Now suppose 12 faces means 12 persons. In collective noun, 12 persons will not have their own identities. They will be considered as one person. Collective noun ক্ষেত্রে একটা গ্রুপের প্রত্যেকটা মেম্বারের নিজস্ব কোনো আইডেন্টিটি থাকবে না। তাদের পুরো 12 জনকে একজন হিসেবে ধরে নেওয়া হবে। সো দ্য ভার্ব মানে এর পরে যে ভার্বটা বসবে সেটা সবসময় সিঙ্গুলার হবে। নেক্সট, দ্য ভার্ব উইল বি সিঙ্গুলার। নাও হোয়াট ডাজ দ্যাট মিন? নাও লুক অ্যাট দ্য এক্সাম্পলস। দ্য ক্রাউড হ্যাজ নো ডিসিপ্লিন। হিয়ার দ্য ক্রাউড ইজ এ কালেক্টিভ নাউন। And we have learned that we will have to place a singular verb after a collective noun. Has is a singular verb and have is a plural verb. So we will place has after the crowd. Similarly, Napoleon's army was finally defeated at Waterloo. Here, army is the collective noun and we will have to place a singular verb was after it because was is a singular verb and were is a plural verb. Next, noun of multitude. Now see, noun of multitude is not important for your exams, but to know the collective noun better, we will have to look at the noun of multitude. Now what is that? A noun of multitude denotes the individuals of the group. Now look at this picture. In this picture we can see 8 smileys. Now suppose 8 smileys represent 8 different persons and we will count 8 different persons separately. The noun is singular but the verb is plural. In collective noun, we have seen that the noun is singular and the verb is also singular. But in noun of multitude, the noun is singular but the verb will be in plural form. Now look at the example. The jury were divided in their opinions. The jury means every single person of the jury. We will count every single person of the jury. And we will place a plural verb were after it. Because were is a plural verb and was is a singular verb. Now look at the difference between a collective noun and a noun of multitude. In collective noun, the jury consists of 12 persons, and in noun of multitude, the jury were divided in their opinions. Now look at these two pictures. In collective noun, we will not count 8 different smileys separately, but we will consider it as one smiley. But in noun of multitude, we will have to count every different smiley separately. Next, material noun. A material noun denotes the matter or substance of which the things are made. ম্যাটেরিয়াল নাউন হলো সেই ম্যাটার অর সাবস্টেন্স অথবা বস্তু যেটা দিয়ে একটা জিনিস তৈরি হয়। নাও সি দ্য এক্সাম্পল, দিস চেয়ার ইজ মেড অফ উড। এই চেয়ারটা কাঠ দিয়ে তৈরি, তাহলে কাঠটা হচ্ছে ম্যাটেরিয়াল নাউন। সো দ্য উড ইজ দ্য ম্যাটেরিয়াল নাউন। দিস নেকলেস ইজ মেড অফ গোল্ড। এখানে বলছে এই নেকলেসটা গোল্ড দিয়ে তৈরি, তাহলে গোল্ডটা হচ্ছে ম্যাটেরিয়াল নাউন। দিস ফোন ইজ মেড অফ প্লাস্টিক অ্যান্ড মেটাল। এই ফোনটা প্লাস্টিক অ্যান্ড মেটাল দিয়ে তৈরি, তাহলে প্লাস্টিক অ্যান্ড মেটাল আর দ্য ম্যাটেরিয়াল নাউন্স। হি ড্রিঙ্কস ওয়াটার। হিয়ার ওয়াটার ইজ দ্য ম্যাটেরিয়াল নাউন। পেন ইজ আউট অফ ইঙ্ক। হিয়ার ইঙ্ক ইজ দ্য ম্যাটেরিয়াল নাউন। Now look at the difference between a common noun and a material noun. Sheep is a common noun, but mutton, which is the flesh of sheep or goat, মানে হচ্ছে sheep অথবা গোটের মাংস, সেটা হচ্ছে material noun. Similarly, tree is a common noun, but wood or cat is the material noun. Generally, we don't use articles before a material noun, but in specific cases, articles can be placed before a material noun. Generally, আমরা material noun এর আগে কোনো article use করি না, বাট কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে বা বিশেষ বিশেষ ক্ষেত্রে আর্টিকেল আমরা বসাতে পারি। লাইক এক্সাম্পল, হি ড্রিঙ্কস ওয়াটার। হিয়ার উই হ্যাভ নট ইউজড এনি আর্টিকেল, বাট in the next sentence, the water of the Ganga is sacred. Here we have used articles. In this video, I have discussed collective noun and material noun. And in the upcoming videos, I will be discussing the rest of the kinds of nouns. If you do like the way I teach and want me to upload more such videos, then keep on following me on YouTube. And don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. You can also show your love and support by subscribing to my channel. Thank you and take care.